Imagine if you could remember anything you want. Names, goals, books, speeches, life lessons instantly. The truth is, you already can. You just haven't unlocked the power of your mind yet. Your brain is not weak. It's simply waiting to be used in a way it was designed. And one ancient technique was change your life forever, the memory palace method. The same method used by world memory champions. Today, you're going to learn how to use it. A memory palace is a place you know so well. You could walk through it with your eyes closed. Your home, your school, your childhood room. You turn that place into a mental map, and each location becomes a container for a memory. This is how your mind naturally remembers, not with words, but with places and images. Choose a place you know deeply. Walk through it in your imagination. Feel the walls, the floor, the light. The clearer the place feels, the stronger your memory power becomes. This is your palace, your mental sanctuary. Now, choose a sequence, the exact order you move through your space. Door, hall, kitchen, living room, window. This is your memory path, a journey that never changes. Your mind will follow it naturally, effortlessly. Here is the secret. Your brain remembers what is strange, emotional, colorful. So, for each memory, create a dramatic image. Something funny, something weird, something impossible. Want to remember energy? Imagine a lightning bolt striking your coach. Want to remember discipline? Imagine a soldier doing push-ups in your kitchen. The weirder it is, the stronger it sticks. Your imagination is your superpower. Now, replay the journey in your mind. Look at each image you place there. You'll be shocked how naturally everything returns to you. You're not forcing memory, you're activating it. You were never bad at remembering. You were simply never taught how powerful your mind is. Your memory is not broken, it's unlimited. You have a palace inside your mind, waiting to be filled with the ideas that will shape your future. Let's say you want to remember 3 concepts: focus, goals, growth. In your bedroom door, a giant spotlight focus. In a hallway, your dream written in gold, goals. In your kitchen, a small plant growing into a huge tree, growth. Walk through the palace again. You'll never forget these ideas. Not tomorrow, not next week, not ever. Your mind is a universe, a limitless space of ideas, dreams, abilities. The memory palace is not just a technique, it's a reminder of what you're capable of. If you can train your memory, you can train your discipline, your habits, your identity, your life. Step into your palace and unlock the potential waiting inside you. If you want more videos that help you grow mentally and spiritually, subscribe, like, and share this message with someone who needs it. Your mind is limitless. Start exploring it today.